Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and to another clean slash decorate with me video. Today we'll be doing a little bit of light cleaning and decorating. I will also be painting some old Christmas decor to match my theme. All this in preparation for Christmas. If you like these type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Now, let's get right into the video. Before I began decorating, I had to tidy up the second messiest part of my house, which is the living room, the first being my kitchen. And since my house is relatively small, this is where we spend most of our time. My daughters do have a toy room right behind the couch. I don't know if you can make it out right there, but for some reason they love to drag their toys right into the living room. That is why I have two big baskets right under the coffee table for a quick and easy tidy up. For my coffee table, I'm using these furniture wipes that I purchased at TJ Maxx. If anybody knows of any good wood furniture products, please let me know so I can try them out. Okay, for my couch, I'm just fluffing it up because I saw a video on TikTok about microfiber mattresses containing fiberglass in them. Well, my couches are literally microfiber as well, and now I'm terrified to remove the cover to wash them because I feel like if I do, I'm going to contaminate my house even more. Because I have already removed these covers like a million times to wash them. But after seeing the video, I do not know what to do. So yes, those are the things that keep me up at night. Okay, I'm going to be attempting to paint these pieces and the ornaments right here to match my theme, which is green. I mean, I guess that's not really a theme, or well, my color, which is green and like silver and white. I wasn't even gonna do a theme, but it happened last minute and here we are. So I ordered this on Walmart and they gave me the wrong color. They gave me two of those, so hopefully I have enough. So my color is more like a dark green, so I'm gonna be using the black paint right there and I'm going to be mixing it in here and hopefully that will give me the desired color. Let's get started. This is the color. So I'm gonna put it here to dry and I'm gonna do all this off camera and I'll be back done with these. Now I'm gonna go on the trees. And it's like a velvety texture. I forgot, I should have started with the nutcracker because I think I'm going to do multiple coats and this is very detailed, so it's going to take a while. Okay, we have the first coat. It's looking a little wonky. I also don't like how his pants go with the green, so I think I'm going to paint them white or black. I'm not sure yet. And I'm also going to paint his eyes green. I have some white acrylic paint that I'm going to use for the pants and for the details that I messed up. So this is how he ended up looking. He doesn't look that great, but he doesn't look too bad considering I did it in a rush. And here's how everything turned out, minus the little trees because I didn't finish those. Okay, I have some of this velvet ribbon and I'm gonna make some bows with it and add it to my tree. Okay, well, I was out at the store yesterday. I bought some Christmas stuff because when I was going through all the Christmas stuff I had in storage, I realized that I didn't have as many decorations as I thought I did. It was mostly like ornaments and like 3 little trees, something like that. So I bought some other stuff. This little frame from TJ Maxx. 2 green little throws. These little light. I bought 2 of these. This little reindeer. This, I don't know what this is, honestly, but this some pillar candles, 2 sets. Those little trees over there from Target. 3 tree sets from Target as well, and there's one missing because I painted it green because it was blue before. These really pretty, what are they called? Wreath? No, garlands. These really pretty garlands. They were a bit on the pricey side, but I figured I'm gonna use them for many years. And I think that's honestly it. I'm gonna figure something out with all this. So yeah, let's get started decorating. I'm gonna add a bit more greenery to make it look a little more full, and all of these are from Hobby Lobby from a few years back.
Comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children sing, and all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
So here I started to do this centerpiece arrangement, and I didn't like how it looked, so I had to take it out and restart it in an actual tray, and I feel like it looked so much better when I added the tray. And here's a tray that I mentioned earlier, and it's not even a tray, it's like a picture frame, like a canvas kinda, from Hobby Lobby, that I no longer like and decided to use it as a tray. Let me know in the comments if you preferred arrangement number 1 or arrangement number 2. Okay, this is the last place I decorated, and I have to say it's my least favorite, and that's mostly due to the twinkle lights because they come off as blue instead of warm white, and I don't like how that looks like. But oh well, it's too late. I can't get a new set before Christmas, so this will have to do for this year. Okay, thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas.